Metro by T-Mobile offers several plan options designed to fit different needs and budgets. Understanding these options will help you make the best choice for your situation. Metro by T-Mobile offers four main plan types. Metro Starter provides basic unlimited talk, text, and data. Metro Starter Plus adds enhanced features and benefits. Metro Flex Unlimited includes 50 gigabytes of premium data, plus 8 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot. Metro Flex Unlimited Plus offers premium features including Amazon Prime membership. The BYOD plan is perfect if you already have a compatible phone. For just $30 the first month, then $25 monthly with autopay, you get unlimited talk, text, and 5G data with a 5-year price guarantee. All Metro by T-Mobile plans come with a 5-year price guarantee. This means your base rate for talk, text, and data is locked in, providing peace of mind and budget predictability. Before choosing a plan, assess 3 key areas. First, evaluate your monthly data usage patterns. Second, consider what features you need, such as mobile hotspot or streaming services. Third, determine your monthly budget for phone service. Metro by T-Mobile plans are designed to match your specific needs and lifestyle. Whether you want basic unlimited service or premium features like Amazon Prime, there's a plan that fits both your usage patterns and budget. Changing your Metro by T-Mobile plan is straightforward. You have 2 convenient ways to manage your account and make plan changes. First, you'll need to log into your account. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number and account PIN for security. Once logged in, navigate to the Plan or Services section. This is where you'll find your current plan details and all available options. You'll see your current plan and available upgrade or downgrade options. Select the new plan that best suits your needs and data requirements. Before confirming your changes, there are several important things to keep in mind. You'll need your account PIN, charges will be prorated, and if switching to BYOD, ensure device compatibility. After confirming your changes, verify that your new plan is active and all features are working as expected. Your account will reflect the changes, and you'll receive confirmation of the plan switch.